Premium quality nail tips. Michelle full cover false nail tips are made with high quality ABS material. They are breathable, lightweight and durable, makes your nails looks natural and nice. Once painted with the right glue or decorated with colorful decorations, they look very natural and nice holding the color without separating or streaking, making your tips magical and stylish. Varied size. Michelle Professional Nail Extension Set include 500 pieces medium stiletto nails tips, 10 different sizes with 50 nails of each size, which is individually numbered 0 to 9. Easy to choose the suitable size for every finger. Multiple application. Michelle nails tips are great for nail salon, DIY home nails art, used for gel nail polish, liner gel art, press-on nails, acrylic nails, dip powder nails, poly nail extension gel, great for nail salon, DIY at home nails art. Michelle nail tips are easy to trim, paint and apply and nice holding the color without separating or streaking. Pairing up paint and colorful decoration, your nails could be more natural. Have no toxins, no smell, no harm to your nails and health. Easy to apply, pre-shaped, long-lasting, soak-off nail extension set. Break resistant, super strong. Extend your nails in a mere 3 minutes. Our developed formula nail gel provides the best break-resistant support to your extended nails. Top reviews from the United States. LG size 0 should be 0.6 but the ones IGT were only 0.5 so way too small. Ordered the almond. I have ordered this brand before in longer style and they fit great, was hoping being the same brand and the photo in the store showed them being 0.6 but when got them open and tried them on way too small, so annoying when I just want something that will cover my thumb nail and middle finger.